If you stopped using your cell phone before bed for just 14 days, you'd likely notice some fascinating changes. Most people use their phones before bed, but there are significant reasons to consider putting them away early. Cell phone screens emit blue light, a type of visible light that has a powerful effect on melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. Even brief exposure to blue light can disrupt melatonin levels, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing sleep quality, which can lead to issues with energy, mood, and focus the next day. So, why does blue light have this effect? It's because our bodies evolved to use natural light patterns for sleep wake cues. Daylight, especially blue tones in the sky, signals our bodies to stay awake. As the sun sets, those blue tones fade, allowing melatonin to increase. But cell phone screens and other LED lights emit a much more intense blue light, often closer and more direct to our eyes than natural sources. This exposure right before bed keeps melatonin low, delaying sleep and affecting the depth of your rest. Many people consider blue light blocking glasses as a solution, but not all work effectively. Some glasses filter blue light, but others do not, despite claims. Quality blue blockers can filter out a high percentage of blue light, but many brands don't provide full protection. For a quick test, a spectroscope can reveal blue light levels from screens, helping you understand how much light your eyes are exposed to, even with blockers on. Another concern is electromagnetic fields, EMFs, emitted by phones. EMFs are a form of invisible radiation, which over time may impact cellular health. Constant exposure, especially when holding the phone close to your head or body, could interfere with the communication within your cells. Some studies even suggest a link between EMFs and certain health risks. Tools like a tri-field meter can measure EMF levels in your environment, offering insight into exposure levels from cell phones, computers, and other electronic devices. Reducing blue light and EMF exposure could improve sleep quality as well as focus, energy, and mood the next day. Avoiding devices before bed also allows for more time in deep and REM sleep cycles, which are essential for physical recovery and mental repair. Disruptions in sleep can lead to higher risks for several health concerns, including elevated blood sugar, cognitive decline, and even mood disorders. For better sleep, try minimizing cell phone use in the evening. Blue light blockers can help if you must use your phone, but check for quality to ensure they're effective. Use speaker mode or headphones to reduce EMF exposure and keep screens away from your face. If you add more natural light sources, like candles or fireplaces, you may find these also help boost melatonin naturally. Taking these simple steps could make a difference in how you sleep and how you feel the next day.